When it comes to summer, black and white is always so chic, so elegant, and makes you look automatically more put together. So I'm sharing some of my favorite pieces with you here today. Now, if you don't love the black and white options that I'm showing you, rest assured there are many color options available in most of these pieces. And if you're brand new here, I am 41 years young and I have 4 children ages 5 through 12, and I am a full-time working mama. I'm also 5'7", and everything that I purchased here today is in a size small. Everything will be linked down below for you in that description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section, and of course if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, scan the QR code on screen and it will take you to everything in this video. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this black and white romper. It also has this nice sort of sticky, grippy elastic here so that it's going to stay up. This combination, just classic, just beautiful. You can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to the office. You can wear it to do things related to kids' activities. You can wear this on a date night. These are shorts, which is really nice. If you're getting in and out of a restaurant, you're on a high top table, you're getting your kids out of the car, like this is nice. It's the perfect length. It's classic, easy, breezy, so chic. Loving this next dress, black and white stripes, very comfortable on the body and nice and lightweight. It has these gorgeous bell sleeves here, and it does button pretty much all the way down, so you can really well button it up should you like, or button it down to showcase some of your favorite jewelry. Also love the V-neck detail on here. You could also belt this if you wanted to, just to add a little bit more interest. I think it's the perfect length and it's gorgeous. This next two-piece set I purchased in multiple colors, but I'm showing it to you here today in the black with the white piping detail. Nice short sleeves. This is nice and lightweight, perfect for travel, perfect for every day. If you're running lots of errands, you got things going on with your kids, you're working from home, you just want to be very comfortable. Nice elastic waist with the drawstring detail. It also has that white piping down the side here as well. Great length on this, very comfortable, timeless piece in your closet. This next little dress I saw on the hanger, I was like, okay, she's kind of cute, and then I put it on and it just felt wonderful on the body. I love the nice black and white stripes here towards the bottom. It also has a functional drawstring waist right here, so you can keep it as loose as you want, or you can tighten up a little bit. It also has functional pockets, nice short sleeve detail, very effortless, very lightweight. If I was traveling to Europe this summer, this is something that I would definitely be packing with me, because you can dress it up, put like a nice kitten heel on there or a wedge sandal or ballet flat, but you could also pair it with some white sneakers if you're going to do a lot of traveling or sightseeing. Super quick, if you are enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Moving into this gorgeous little two-piece set, I've showed this in multiple variations, but here we have it in the black and white. Nice functional drawstring here, and this airy, flowy, effortless top. This is a high-end, look for less, very comfortable. You don't even have to think about getting ready. I would pair this with some white sneakers. You could even do some really beautiful ballet flats, or a mesh ballet flat I think would look really nice. Even some jelly sandals. You could do basically anything in this outfit, and you can dress it up or dress it down depending upon what you have going on for that particular day. Oh my word, I love this dress so much. I showed it in a previous video, I believe in a pink version, so I had to get it here in the black. Very comfortable, nice and lightweight, but also feels really good quality on the skin. It has a nice drawstring waist, which is functional, and all the ruffled details. This is a romper, so it has those built-in shorts, which is really nice. Ruffle detail here on the sleeve as well, all the way about. It zips in the back, and then it has a nice V-neck, so you can really showcase some of your favorite jewelry should you want to. The perfect black and white striped summer dress. This could go over a swimsuit if you're going boating or you're doing something at the beach, throw this over, but you could also make this a very elevated yet simple outfit. You could do a nice rattan belt, maybe a black belt, maybe a white belt with this, and depending upon how you accessorize this, the jewelry, the shoes, but again, this could be a super sporty dress. Like, this is the one and done dress when it comes to your summer wardrobe. I love a good jumpsuit because they just look so fabulous and beautiful, and well, anytime I see it on somebody else, I'm like, where did you get that? I have to know. It looks so beautiful on you. I love the beautiful cutout detail. The straps are fully adjustable. It is smocked in the back. This is airy. This is lightweight. I have to know, does this come in multiple color options? I cannot remember offhand, so we're going to pop that on screen now. It also has these really nice wide legs on this. You could wear this to a business meeting. Just put a nice blazer over top. I love everything about this. Another gingham black and white two-piece set, but this one's a little bit different. It has a little bit more frill, a little bit more girly. You can see it has these nice ties here on the bottom, nice stretchy waistband, fit very beautifully, and this top that we're seeing, high-end look for less, all over over the interwebs and in the stores, Ann Taylor, Ever Eve, here it is, but it's from Amazon for a fraction of the cost. It has these nice tie details right here. I just wore a nude strapless bra underneath, and in fact, when I wear this out and about, I'm probably just gonna wear some nippies underneath because this does tie together so nicely. It's just a little peekaboo right there. This also has the nice ruffles here on the bottom, giving you that peplum top look. Oh my word, I love this black jumper. Beautiful ruffle detail here on the front. You could go totally braless depending upon, well, your frame and your build. I'm completely flat chested, so if you wanted to, you could go without a bra or wear your favorite comfortable strapless bra. It has nice smocking here on the waist, so it's very stretchy, very forgiving on the body. And because this is a romper, these are shorts. There's so much that you can do with this piece. This is going to be something in your closet that is on rotate. You want to get together, you have somewhere to go, but you don't want to have to think a lot about it. Or maybe you just want to bring out your inner beauty queen. You can be looking so good in this. Gorgeous maxi dress coming your way. I love this. Again, a lot that you can do with this. You could wear this to the pool. You could wear this for boating. It is a little thick, but not too thick. So it's thicker than the other dress that I showed you, and the length on this is longer. So you can really elevate this. You could put a belt on this should you want to, or leave it completely open and effortless and just pair it with your favorite jewelry. A ballet flat would look really good with this, or a pointed toe sling back would also look really beautiful. Again, classic, timeless in your closet. You're gonna want to gravitate towards this time and time again. Okay, if you've been here a minute, I'm obsessed with this jumpsuit. I first showed it in the khaki color, and then I got it in a wine red, sort of Malo color. Here it is in the black version. I love the wide leg pants. This is a high-end look for less. The zipper here on the front, so you can zip it up, zip it down, showcase your ladies should you want to. This feels so nice on the body, so good, so elegant, so elevated, all of the beautiful things. I guarantee you, if you were to wear this out and about for an event or a date night or a lunch or something, you're gonna get compliments on this and people are gonna ask you, where did you get that? Super quick, the easiest way to shop all of these pieces, of course you can click that link in the description box below, but visit my Amazon storefront. It's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. I'll also link that down below. If you click photos, you are gonna see me in all of these pieces. So you get to see visually what it looks like on, and you get to see all the coloring options, all the sizing options, and oftentimes there's gonna be suggestions for what to pair this with. So the best way to shop all of these pieces is through my Amazon storefront. And if you like sneak peeks and you like to be in the know, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I do link all of these pieces, in fact, pretty much individually on Instagram stories before it makes its way to YouTube here. And last but not least, if you have not checked out the community tab here on YouTube, I also do the same thing and link everything. So I give you so many ways to shop all of these pieces to make it easy for you. Coming at you with a nice two-piece set, perfect for everyday wear. And because it is the black and white color genre, again, this probably comes in multiple color options, which we're going to link on screen here. We have the shorts here with the paper bag waist, nice stretchy waistband with a tie, and it comes with this black tank top with the square neck detail that you can tuck in. Done for you outfit, made easy, looking so cute. This next two-piece set I shared in a previous video in a blue version. Here it is in some black and white pinstripes. I love this nice stretchy waistband, flowy, effortless. I mean, I know I say that word a lot, but I love clothes that are effortless, that make you look put together. But if you're like me and you don't have a ton of time to put into getting ready, I mean, you're schlepping kids here and there and you need to get yourself together for an event, maybe a date night, maybe a fun little, I don't know, dinner of some sort. In fact, we were just at Valley Fair this past weekend in the sun, in the heat. It was almost 90 degrees and I had to get myself together pretty darn quick because my parents were coming to watch the kids. So we showered, got ready, grabbed the outfit, ready to go. And you want to feel really good, especially if you're on a date night or you're out and about in a piece that you feel good in. And this right here, this feels so good. Okay, this next dress, I put it on and I was like, did I accidentally order this in a size large? And no, I didn't. It actually says size small. So this is gonna be a loose fit for you. So if that's exactly what you want, then this dress is it. It does have this tie right here. However, because the dress is just quite large, I mean, this is like the perfect throw and go dress. I would wear this if I was boating. I would wear this if I'm going up to the pool. I would wear this, I don't know, going walking in the morning. Nice length on this, feels very comfortable on the body. This next little romper kind of looks like a dress. I love all the layers on it and the block detail with the black and the white. This is by the brand Docket2, which is a brand that I really enjoy on Amazon because they almost always have tons of sizing options available, lots of color options, and they rarely go out of stock. I've been seeing this online on the Amazon models, and I had to know, does it actually look as good on and in real life? And I have to say it does. This next tank top, now the shorts did not come with that. I showed them in a previous video. I will try to remember to link the shorts as well. I'm saying that out loud to you so that I do it. But I love this tank top, nice and stretchy, classic in your closet. Anytime you pair black and white together, it just looks, yes, like you're doing something fun and important for the day. It's very crisp and clean and just looks so good. I love that the straps are a little bit thicker, felt really, really good on the body. Tuck it into your favorite shorts, or you could leave it out should you want to. This fun little jumper, I showed this in a previous video in the pink version, so I'm bringing it to you here in the black version. I love the length on this, and because it is a romper, it has the built-in shorts, and I have to say I really enjoy the double lining right here, so if you are wearing a strapless bra underneath, it's not going to show, but of course you could always pair this with some nippies or something that you're very comfortable in. I love the spaghetti straps. I think this just hugs the body so nicely. It also has some fun pockets here on the front. This is a Free People look for less, and you can really elevate this or make this very sporty should you want to. This next two-piece set, high and look for less, viral all over the interwebs. Here I'm bringing it to you in the black and white gingham version. I also love the white block detail. What's really cool about this is it comes with these shorts. It has these slits on the side, so this is just so fun. I'm imagining something black and woven with this when it comes to the shoes. It comes to your handbag, maybe some nice chunky black beads, which we're seeing all over the interwebs right now. So easy, but so beautiful put together. This next one is a little bit similar. However, this is a longer version, and here we have the black and white block detail. The shorts fit really nice on the body. In fact, at first I didn't realize that this came in a set, and I put the shorts on. I was like, oh my word, I just ordered some black shorts. Well, I'm loving these. I want to get it more color options. And then I quickly realized, oh yes, it came with this beautiful, well, it kind of could look like a dress from the front. I mean, you can laugh in this, you can play in this, you can run your errands in this, you could do date night in this, you could do girls night. We're down to the last three pieces, and I have to say these are probably in my top three. It's this beautiful black dress with the cutout detail. At first I was thinking this was a jumper, but no, it's actually a dress. It has these nice spaghetti straps which are adjustable, the smocking on the back. I need to know, does this come in multiple color options? We're going to link it on screen if it does. I didn't even wear a bra when it came to this in the black version. This is like the perfect little black dress that you're going to go to time and time again. At least I'm going to. Oh, this next dress, obsessed with it. It looks so cute on the hanger, and I was hoping when I put it on that it would also feel really good and look really good, and it absolutely does. Beautiful cutout detail, but it's covered here by this sort of faux tie. I also love the V-neck with the spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. It also has these nice faux wooden beads on the front, and there are functional pockets as well, which is fun. In fact, I have a conference coming up. My husband and I are traveling out of state for that, and I'm going to put this in my suitcase, my repertoire, my arsenal. During the day, I'm going to pair this with a white blazer or a black blazer. I just bought these really cute crop ones, which I'll probably share in some upcoming videos. If not, I'll be sure to link it down below in that master link so that you can access that. But so cute. And this just felt so nice on the body. You know when you put a piece of clothing on or an outfit and you look in the mirror and you're like, yes, this is it. Like, let's attack the day. That's how I felt about this. And last but not least, this gorgeous black and white gingham romper. I am obsessed with a cute romper. Throw and go. Looks girly, looks chic, looks so beautiful. I love the V-neck detail. Also the tie here at the front, so you can make it as loose as you want, or you can make it a little bit tight if you want to cinch that waist. It's not too short, so I can absolutely do everything that I need to with my kids. It's nice and lightweight, perfect for a date night, perfect for a brunch, or just taking your kids and running errands. This would look so cute with some white sneakers. You could even put a white baseball hat if you want to have a more sporty, casual look to this, but very girly and fun if you're going for a more playful yet sophisticated vibe. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments box and any fun summer plans that you have. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.